So, leadership surely has shown in historically also for FMCG companies that they do matter a lot for these FMCG companies. And, the euphoria that we see coming in the stocks of these companies when there is a new appointment, even when, like you mentioned, Pratik Pota leaving, that also surely caused the stock to be under pressure. Now, what is the reason behind this? Let's look at some of the pointers. Now, one, when there is a leadership change in FMCG companies, there's a significant influence that you can see coming in on the financial performances of the company. So, surely that does, intrigue the investors as well. Overall, investors are concerned about how the new strategy, what the CEOs will come up with, how will they actually pan out for the company. The impact obviously will come on the earnings also because of the new leadership, the strategies, the margins, the SSSG growth that you could see coming in also for these companies, volume growth, how does that actually shape up, does impact overall because of the new leadership, because the new strategies that they plan. Now, other than that, obviously, we have seen something coming in terms of the leadership changes in terms of industry have actually yielded quite a remunerative result for companies as well. Like you can see on your screens coming in, how in the past CEO changes have actually panned out for the stock prices. In the first year, look at it when Varun Berry joined in and became the MD and CEO of the company at Britannia, we saw a 159% stock return in the first year itself. Similarly, Pratik Pota as well, surely he left Jubilant Foodworks, he's resigned from Jubilant Foodworks, but at Jubilant Foodworks, he's had an amazing stint as well, 111% in terms of stock return in the first year as well. Sandeep Kataria, Sunil D'Souza, big names like that, and many more other CEO MD changes in FMCG surely have impacted. Let's just have a look at once, what is the success story of a few of them. Varun Berry surely joined in 2014 as the MD CEO. He made changes like, steering the company towards regaining market share. Operating margins also expanded, from 6.8% in 2014 to 15%. So, see the growth and performance, that change that these CEOs and MDs do make in terms of the performance of the company. Pratik Pota too was a very integral part at Jubilant Foodworks. He surely helped in improving the brand name, the quality, the performance, value propositions, made them the hero offering also. So surely good performance, that we've seen in the stock price. Re-ratings after Pratik Pota actually came in for Jubilant Foodworks also worked out well. Sandeep Kataria too at overall, Bata, when you look at it, joined in 2017, made the brand more fashionable, appealing to the youth. Big changes coming in. And, obviously, let's not forget Sunil D'Souza, one of the most recent ones at Tata Consumers also. He's spoken about his strategy, has aggressively been, taking new initiatives, that we've seen coming in since then as well. So, surely focus on ramping up Tata Sampann was one of the concerns, one of the significant factors that he pointed out in his strategy as well. And, obviously, just take you all through a few of the points. Like we mentioned, Pratik Pota, when he did among the recent ones, he resigned and we've seen a sharp fall coming in Jubilant Foodworks. When you hear rumors about Varun Berry, a lot of times there are these rumors coming in, Varun Berry leaving Britannia, the stock price surely does get impacted. There's a reaction coming in for investors, and these are the main reasons, why, because they have a significant influence also. So surely keep an eye out on CEO changes always coming in the FMCG space.